Hello, this is Patrick with Lone Wolf Software. Today we're going to do a little video. I'm going to show you how to design and create your own way of printing data or whatever you want to print in Contact Wolf. So Contact Wolf has reports, all kinds of multiple types of reports, and those are great, and a lot of people use those reports to print out phone books and just the information that they need. But there is a cool little way in Contact Wolf to design your own print out of the data that you want to see in whatever fashion you want to see it. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, and it's using a little trick that we have in the custom label designer. So you're going to actually use the custom label designer to design your own printout. And this printout doesn't even have to be for labels, but it's going to let you print in 3 columns and choose the information that you want to print. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, and it's a cool little trick. So what you see right now on your screen is Contact Wolf. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to set this up to print out the data that you want the way you want it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is whenever you print labels, and again, we're not really printing labels in this instance, but we're going to use this option in Contact Wolf to print this data this way. So whenever you print labels, you have to tag the records you want to print. Tagging is just a way of flagging records that you want to send to the printout or to the label printer. So right now we're in the personal directory A under the A tabs. We have some records here listed, so we'll just click the tag all button, and we see that all the records have been tagged. You see the little check mark here next to them. So then go ahead and click on the print options button. Make sure the print labels option is selected. Click on the format labels button, and in the middle here you'll see a little option, use custom labels. So we're going to select that, then click the little design button next to it, and you see a little designer here where you can design your own label printouts, print whatever you want on the labels, but in this case we're going to design a printout just to print the information you want to, let's say, a little phone book or whatever you want. So right now we have line 1 selected, we have the personal directory selected, so we're going to go ahead and add some data fields here. We'll make this fairly quick. So we're on line 1, so you just click on this little drop down menu, and let's say we'll go with the first name, add that. You see first name is going to be added. You can print up to 3 data fields in each line. So we're going to choose another one. We'll go with last name, and we'll add that, and that's good for that line. So then we'll just click the line 2 button, and we'll add some more. Let's go with street 1, add that. That's good for that line. Click on the line 3 button. Let's go ahead and add city, state, and the zip code. Postal code, here we go. And let's say that you want to also print their phone number, so on the next line, so we'll just click on line 4, and we'll go down here and we'll find the phone number for them. And let's say you also want to print out an email address for them, so just click on line 5, and we'll click on email, add. So right now you can see in the designer the way it's going to print. You're going to have 5 lines printed for each record, and all these records that are tagged are going to print this information for you. And because we have a label that's the current label that we have selected has 3 columns, and you can select a label that has 1 column, 2 columns, so you can also control that, how it prints, how many columns it prints. We're just going to stay with a 3 column printing. So just click OK to accept this, click OK again, and OK again. And now we have this set up right now. Let me go back to the print options. To print labels, we formatted the labels, and we're good to go. So the next thing to do is just, we'll go to print preview. And as you can see in print preview, it's printing exactly the data for the tagged records that we wanted. The way you wanted it designed. And I'm zooming in here a little bit so you can see it. And basically you've got the data that you wanted printed out exactly the way you want it. You just go ahead and click on the print button here, and it'll print it to your printer. So this is a great way to just design your own little printout exactly the way you want it, and you can print it out, make a little phone book, whatever you want. That's all for today, and look for more videos in the near future. Thanks for watching.